back in Chief Meteorologist Nick Marianos, and so we're getting a little bit of a break, but we're certainly not going to see the end of those storms.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, we still have some storms developing now across parts of the valley. Some of those are strong north of here. Almost a severe thunderstorm in Corning right now. But overall, we're going to see the snow picking up in the Sierra as well this evening. And then tomorrow going into the weekend, yes, finally a break before we start to pick things up again next week. So here's what's going on. First alert Doppler radar. We have some showers that are popping up all across the Sacramento Valley. The San Joaquin Valley right now is very quiet, but as we take a closer look to the north, this is out by Corning right now, and this is a strong, almost severe thunderstorm that's pushing its way toward the east. That does have about penny-sized hail with it and some strong winds. Down to the south, you follow I-5 south from Willows all the way down toward Calusa, so we do have some thunderstorms going up as well. And this storm that's coming up on just to the west of Sutter Buttes right now does have some small hail possible with that one, including up toward Willows. So we will be watching those storms as they track toward the east. Otherwise, out into the foothills, some showers and snow continue to increase in coverage. And we will see by 8 o'clock this evening snow that will be heavy at times for the higher elevations. But going into the overnight hours, I do expect to see the snowfall decrease from north to south, and then by tomorrow we're going to see more sunshine. So a nice quiet day to finish out the work week, a nice way to go into the weekend as well with the sunshine in place. Winds will generally be on the lighter end with temperatures staying cool. We'll have temperatures into the 30s across parts of the valley early into the morning. Frost advisories are in place from tomorrow morning all the way through Sunday morning. But at least the weather's quiet, the sun will be out, and a great way to go into the weekend with temperatures near 60 both days for the valley, Saturday into Sunday. But into early next week, all eyes shift back to the Pacific with yet another storm. It'll be coming in from the north, and it's going to try to pull in some of that subtropical moisture to give us a round of some heavy rain, especially on the Tuesday time frame. So most of Monday on the quiet side, but as we get into Monday night, into Tuesday, you can see the rain overspreading the valley, snow becoming very heavy on Tuesday for the Sierra. I do expect to see significant travel impacts on Tuesday. And an early check at some of the forecasts, rainfall amounts for the valley, about 1 to 2 inches. In terms of snowfall, above 4,000 feet. We could see 2 to 4 more feet of snow from Monday through Wednesday, and some of the higher passes could pick up locally 6 feet of snow. So it's going to be a big storm Monday night, Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday is a first alert action day for this. So we're not through yet, but at least, Tony, the weekend is nice and quiet.
How come I'm not surprised we're not through yet? Just keeps on coming.
Keeps on coming.
Let's enjoy the weekend, Nick. Thank you, California.